This video is about how to add PHP-CS linter for Drupal development in Lando environment. In Lando environment, PHP-CS linter will be a tool and it will be added as an attribute of tooling, and I will name this tool as lint-php, and it should be running over the service of app server where our code resides. And during the installation or for running this command, we need a project base PHP-CS, and I will add a standard of my PHP-CS file which I have already created. So this is my PHP-CS file from Drupal core, and it says that it should run on my theme folder at this moment because I'm going to create a custom theme. And you can also run this PHP-CS XML file in your own custom directory. I will recommend you to run this PHP-CS only during the development environment, and it should be on a custom code, so you are strictly following the Drupal standards when you are building a new project. So for running this PHP-CS, we need a Drupal coder for Drupal project. So I will install my Drupal coder using Lando Composer require Drupal coder, and I will enter. So this will install a Composer vendor file in my project directory. You can also install this Drupal coder as an development requirement for Composer. I will pause this video at this moment and I will come back once the Composer has been installed. As you can see now, Drupal coder is already been installed in my Composer vendor directory, and the dependency for PHP-CS has been installed too. So for using this tool, I will be creating a small snippet for the configuration of PHP-CS, saying that this PHP-CS should be running from my vendor directory of the project, and it should be configured from my vendor directory, which will say that okay, this linter should be running from my project level only. It is not in my global level of Lando environment. So this is the path of Drupal coder and the code sniffer that it is using. And for using this tool as lint:php, you have to type Lando rebuild again. So it will prompt for rebuilding confirmation, and I will type Y for yes, and I will enter. So this might take a few minutes for rebuilding the tooling service and triggering it, and we can use the PHP-CS. So I will pause this video at this moment and I will come back. As you can see now, the configuration of PHP-CS has been configured in my Lando environment, and the message is successful with the green app server URL, which denotes that everything is working fine now. So for testing this, like if the tool has been installed or not, you can type Lando and enter, and you can see over here the Lando lint:php has been already been up and running. Thank you so much for watching this video.